Hello bearded bee people, welcome back to B&K I am checking on the mating nucs, the cells that I pulled out of the incubator the other day. It has so far been a really good emergence percentage, you know, because sometimes cells get neglected, or sometimes there'll be a drop larvae in a cell and it'll stop development, and because there are a whole lot of reasons for things that could go wrong, but this one's been pretty good so far. So I figured I'd open up a couple and check with you. This one doesn't look so good already because they have cups going, and ideally that queen cell should have emerged right when I put it in, and they wouldn't have started that. But there's a virgin queen right there next to the cell she walked out of, and there is an emerged cell cup. So that's a successful emergence. It's not a successful mated queen or anything yet, but it's as successful as it can be this far along in the process. So that's good. That one looks emerged as well. Definitely. Looks like they opened the trap door on that cell there. Let's see if we can see another virgin queen. And there's another one. Right there. So that's cool. Couple of virgins. Very, very cool. Hopefully they'll be mated in a week, and in 2 weeks, or 20 days or so, they'll have capped brood, and I'll know that they're not drone layers, and I can get them out of here and sell them. So I write 614V. 614V. So that's you know, the second to last step in the process. You create the starter, the queenless starter, you graft into them, you let those cells develop, you place them into mating nucs on day 11. Day 11 after the graft, which is day 15 after the egg was laid. And then you go back through removing the cups and checking on the virgins and give them time to go out and get mated. And then you give them time to lay up the nucs and make sure that they're not drone layers, and then you put them in cages and sell them. I've had a few of you guys ask if I ship queens. I do. And if you would like to try out some of these Mary Ellens, shoot me a message, or go to bkbees.com and fill out the form, and I will ship you some queens. If you live in a northern climate, I think you'll like these bees. They're hardy, and they almost don't eat anything throughout the winter. Go into winter with a 10-frame box that's super heavy and full of bees, and you come out of winter with a 10-frame box that's super heavy and full of bees. At least that's what's happened the last couple of winters with these Mary Ellens. So, alright, as I always say, thanks a whole lot for watching. If you liked it, click like. If you didn't, don't click anything. I'm just kidding, you can click whatever you want. Click subscribe if you haven't already. Get out and have some fun with your bees. See ya.